So I just received my little lamp, decorative lamp for like Father's Day, and it comes as these two pieces, and it's a USB style outlet. So the easy thing about this is you simply pinch this and tuck it inside that hole, and then it stays secured and you plug it in. So as you can see, I'm just gonna pinch this and then tuck it through the hole and then gently slide this down, and it's as easy as that. And if you want, you don't have to have it lined up, you know, square to square. You could put it on an angle if you want. And so it comes with a fairly decent length cord, and I just plug it in and it lights up. And if you want to turn it off, this is the button. So that's how simple it is. So I'm just going to turn the light off so you can see how bright it illuminates. So on this video you don't see the text as well, but in person you actually see it quite clearly, and it looks just like this. So just because the light is passing through over here, when you're not looking at it from the video perspective, like now that I've turned on an angle and the light that is coming out of my phone recording this is not a direct hit, you could see the text much better. So the text is definitely very visible from quite far away. So it's just a very small and cute, delicate lamp. And when I purchased this, I had every intention to gift this from my goddaughter to my husband. So there's so many places you can put this. I could put it near the concession stand, in my theater. I could put it in his home office. There's just many places you could display this beautiful gift. So the lampshade is like a canvasy material, and the backing is like kind of plastic. And as you can see, it's just comes as two pieces. It's light wood at the bottom, and this cord looks like it's a good 3 feet, and super easy on off button, and that's it.